Are you looking for an agency, marketing firm, design studio, or any type of startup website? Or a blog, CMS, or corporate website for your agency or creative business? Introducing TNC CreAge, the best Webflow agency template. Create or redecorate your website easily. Now, where to get this template? To get this template, you need to visit templates.ThemeNocde.com. Here, you need to search TNC CreAge. Take a look at our TNC CreAge template is listed. Here you can check the live preview and designer preview or all the template variants from this page. Click Buy Now to get this template from Webflow website. Now let's explore the live preview of TNC CreAge. TNC CreAge is the ultimate solution for agencies and creative professionals. This template has a sleek and modern design that immediately attracts visitors' attention with clean layouts and eye-catching images. TNC CreAge features subtle animations that add a touch of elegance and interactivity to your website. TNC CreAge provides a customized built-in database for your project. This template is fully responsive, ensuring your website will appeal on any device. This template contains all the sections, element, pages and functionality that an agency website should have. Customizing this template is quite easy. Drag and drop elements, change colors and add your content easily. It is a powerful tool designed to help agencies, marketing firms, design studios and creative professionals create an impressive online presence. Now, let's see how to use TNC CreAge. This is our template TNC CreAge. Here you will find all the sections and pages. You can change everything in this template. Let's customize our header. Just hover over the element and click on it to get each customizable option. Have a look here, you can easily change the logo by clicking on the Replace Image option. Now, let's customize the hamburger menu and the nav link. For this, I need to double tap on navbar and go to navbar settings and click on Show button. After that, just select the element and change what you want. Here I replaced this name from About Us with Our Mission. You can also change the link type, open type, page connection, or URL. You can easily customize or change this hero heading title text. Here, I just select the text and replaced it with Welcome to ThemeNocde LLC. After that, you can easily change this hero image. Just select the image and click on Replace Image option to change the image. Let's customize this button. Here I changed the button name from Contact Us to Click Here. You can also change the button link, page connection, open type or URL. This is our counter section. You can easily change the information of this section. Just select the element and you will get options for change or edit. After that, here you will find our blog section. All of these are coming from CMS items. If you want to change, edit, or delete any of these content or any CMS items, you need to enter the CMS collections. Here, you will find all of these. If you want to learn more about Webflow CMS item management, click the I button of this video, or I can attach the link in the description box. This is our footer section. You can easily replace this footer logo by clicking on the Replace Image option. You can also change this footer paragraph. Here I rewrite this footer paragraph. You can edit or change each footer link. So, you can change, edit, add, or remove anything in this template as per your requirements, and it is quite easy. So, if you are looking for the best Webflow agency template, get TNC CreAge. And if you want to browse more templates, visit templates.ThemeNocde.com.